If I don't have earphones, I want to listen. Hello?
Hello, hello. Am I audible, Babu? Am I audible?
Yes. 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, take your time. What happened? What happened?
Nothing, Ajay. I was asking her where is my book.
Okay. So, should I continue?
Yeah.
Is your name Kanak?
My name is Divya. My mother's name is Kanak.
Okay, Divya.
Yeah. And my
Okay.
email account is currently being used by my sister, so I'm using my mother's.
Okay, okay, it's okay. So, should I continue now?
Yeah.
And clear me one more thing. Should I deliver my speech in English or English? According to you, the way you want.
Any language is okay.
Okay. I think so. Understanding is more important. Language is not.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm sharing my screen. Okay.
I'm comfortable in Hindi, English, and Marathi only.
Okay, but I don't know Marathi.
Yeah. And Korean.
Oh wow. So